Okay, so because it kind of be pointless just to do separate issue videos for 51 and 52, because they are just really, that's 51, which is just the operating cable for the aileron, and this is the motor. This was issue 52. I've kind of just put these here and kind of shown these because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to obviously open up the pack, and once we've had a look at the parts, we'll get into the build for issue 53, where we actually do something. Okay, so these are the parts for issue 53, and it's going to be the fitting bracket and stuff for the right hand aileron motor and cable. So yeah, had a look at them, checked them all off, make sure they got the right, you know, got R written on them like they all kind of have. I can get that one to show you. There you go. So there's the R, and this one obviously as well. So make sure they have got R printed on them. But yeah, all there, all checked off. So let's just get into the build now for issue 53. Okay, so first thing we're going to be doing is fitting this block, the right hand block. Now you've just got to kind of identify where this goes and fit this in. So pretty similar to that one, I guess. Kind of goes in that position there, just opposite. And then we're fitting it in with two of the bigger screws. So you've got 3 small screws and you've got 2 big screws. 2 big screws, 6 big screws. And this one just gets fitted in with 2 of the 2x4s. You're taking the operating cable from 51, and you've got a key way on there. And that needs to go facing upwards, and the aileron needs to be tipped slightly down. And then that square into the aileron itself. There we go. So the aileron itself, so it's tipped slightly in the downward. Actually, that's not very well at all. Just make sure it is going to operate it. Yeah, you can see that's operating it. You need that in the up position, a little keyway in the up position. Motor together, so move this away, so should not be constructed. So you've got the motor itself, kind of going to have this identified as it is in the picture, and you bring it along the right hand support bracket and kind of identifying which way around this goes, identifying it and kind of mirroring it up with the picture. Like that. So that's up there. The cable comes out the top, your little ridge is down there. And there's 2 of the smaller screws. So there's the screws in. The worm drive has got a, it's got married up with the and then the end bracket calls it. It's going to hold that in. It has got a little locating pin, and then one of the bigger screws, 2x4. kind of the motor with the worm drive attached. Okay, now what we're going to do is fit the motor, similar to this one. And then two other 2x4 screws. Just going to fit that in and secure that motor in. Just going to make sure that the up position is. Okay, and that's kind of it. Okay, so that was it for issue 53. It was just fitting that aileron motor and getting that all fitted. So I've got both aileron motors fitted now. Issue 54 is going to be coming up soon, and it is the left wing flap. So it looks like we're going to be constructing that. Are we going to get it fitted? Yes, it looks like we're going to be getting it fitted as well to the model. So yeah, that'll be issue 54, and that'll be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-ra for now.